All right, so we created this corpus. Now what's next? Next is we put a bunch of documents into it, right? So I'm going to put some documents into it. So I'm going to put these documents. Let me move this down here. Okay, so I'm going to put in our employee handbook about pets part. And I'm going to add 2 open source projects, which I'm part of. One is about how to create web interfaces using a simple just using Python code signature to make a web UI. The other is a different version of a better version of Jupyter Notebook. So suppose I'm a common use case is, for example, you are a builder of a software, right? You have a bunch of menus. You want your users to be able to ask a chatbot how to use your software, use your API, whatever, right? So then you can use Vectara's reg system to do that. So I basically uploaded 2 user menus of one API tool, and the other is a development tool, and our our employee menu. So I download those files. All right. So I have a bunch of files. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload those files to the Corpus bucket we just created. Okay. So in order to do that, you just make a request to the upload endpoint. Okay, make sure you include the Corpus ID in your request URL. And for all the 3 files, you just do standard read those files into Python. And you upload 1 file each time. So I make wrote a for loop to do that. I iterate over that. So these 3 documents got uploaded into the Corpus. Okay, uploading the Vectara employee handbook, Phoenix user menu, Code Palo user menu.